wow. Snow country Japan gets this insane snowfall. But have you ever wondered, why is the parking lot always so clean? And it's thanks to these guys. In this video, I'm literally just going to be walking around in a parking lot looking at snow and water melting it. This might not be the most exciting video I've ever done, but to some people, it actually might be. Stick around to the end of the video when I'll test how cold, warm, or hot the water actually is. That's my little piece there to keep you all the way to the end of the video. Enjoy! Happy travels! Okay, so I literally just finished doing some shopping, buying some things, groceries, and I had a haircut. And I came outside. It wasn't snowing when I went in, but when I came out, it was like this. I mean, it's on my face. If I just look up here. Check out the snowflakes here. Oh, there we go. There it is. Right on the camera. Hold on. I'll get you back. 1 second. I came out and the snow was like this. This is crazy. I'm going to turn it around and show you my car. So this is my car here. It was clean, clear before I went in. And now look at it. Oh yeah. So there's a lot of snow falling right now. I mean, it's all over my car, right? It's settling on this car over here. But where it's not settling is down here on the ground, which doesn't make any sense. Why is that? This is just one of those things that I've taken for granted until now. And this is kind of one of those amazing things that Japan has. It's not the only place in the world that has something like this, but it's something that Japan utilizes to make life easier. Easy Japanese lifestyle. It wasn't until I made a video about this car that was just had so much snow on the top of it, looked like a big piece of sushi. And I tried to make a t-shirt out of it as well. It wasn't until I showed this video to people and they're like, whoa, why is the ground not covered in snow? Like, it's snowing so much. What is it? It got me thinking that it's actually something that's probably interesting to other people. So check this out and let's have a look. So in the parking area here, there are a bunch of sprinklers built in to the parking. Some of them are sprinkling pretty well. These guys are just like, they're doing the bare minimum, but they're getting the job done. This one over here is like going wild. He's doing more than one of the sprinklers jobs. Oh, maybe the middle's like giving up there. But these little guys are the reason for this parking area to stay clear and to make life easier. So when you come out, you still need to clean your car off, but you can easily drive away from this supermarket here. Pretty awesome, right? And I don't know how long this guy's been here for, but this guy is just like covered in snow. Like, look how thick that is. It's a lot of snow in just a short time. Okay, so I should say around now that where I'm standing is more or less at sea level. I'm at about 200 meters altitude, or around 650 feet altitude. And we're getting snow like this all the way to the ocean. The ocean is around 20 minutes from this point here, and you're at the Sea of Japan, if you call it that. Other people might call it something else. We're very close to the west coast of Japan with the sea right there, and this is the kind of snow that you get. There has to be things like this, ways to melt the snow to make it easier for people to live a life and carry on without having to always clear the snow all the time. This is one of those systems. So what is this water? I think it's interesting that for a lot of people who come here, and me included when I first came to Japan, I assumed that what was coming out of the ground down here was hot spring water. And that's what I really believed. And part of that reason was because when I was first exposed to it, it was during a time I was at Nozawa Onsen. And actually, Nozawa Onsen do use hot spring water to melt the snow on the road and in other places, the geothermal activity. But in places like this, it's not hot spring water at all. Instead, it's just groundwater. What is groundwater? Water that's found underground in soils, rock formations, and aquifers. It comes from rivers, rain, snow, lakes, and it goes into those porous spaces where it's kept underground. Is this just a waste of resources to use this groundwater to melt the snow? Japan does their best to make the system as environmentally friendly as possible. For an example, runoff water and snowmelt water. So Japan has all of these channels to handle the typhoons, the heavy rains, the heavy snow, and that needs to go somewhere. This water that is being tapped into is replenishing itself. And Japan is one of the wettest, rainiest, snowiest countries in the world. There shouldn't be any real issue with replenishing that water source. Even right here in this parking lot, the level of the ground here is directing the water into channels. By the way, I had my haircut here tonight and it was just great. The whole experience was pretty awesome. Highly recommend it. Yes, you read that right. 1,200 yen. Very cheap and very good. What do you think? The next question you might be asking, would this be expensive to run? And the answer is maybe. The main cost here is not the water and the resource itself. It would be the cost of the pumps, the electricity to pump this water through from the groundwater. And finally, answering the question you've all patiently been waiting for since the start of this damn video. How warm is the water? Is it cold, warm, or hot? You can now buy my awesome Orija hoodie with my original Japan logo that I created myself, inspired by the Japanese mountain peaks. It's warm and comfortable, and the print is great quality. There are 2 different logos to choose from, and a bunch of other merch available in the store. You can get all of this on my website, www.orija.me. Here goes! This water is about 15 degrees Celsius or roughly 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it pretty dang warm right now outside in this freezing cold weather. I could swim in this. And I'm not even joking. This is actually, it feels warm. It's actually pretty comfortable. It's much warmer than what comes out of my kitchen sink, the taps there. And that's the natural temperature of this water. It's not being heated. That's just what it is. And that's how my car finished up after shooting this video for the last 20 minutes. Okay, I know people will complain if I don't show clearing the snow off the car. So here it is. That's what we got there. Check that out. Pretty decent amount there. Oh yeah. Just as I get the camera, it's back again. The snow is already back. It's non-stop. This snow is just wild. Thank you for joining my little ad hoc video adventure here, just as I went shopping to get a haircut as well. It's one of these little simple things in life where I can stop and take a moment to appreciate these things that make my life easier in Japan. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you live in a cold place, how is the snow managed there for something like this? How is it melted? How is it removed? Is it the same as this? Do you have this water system? And I'll see you on the next video. Happy travels. This is the highway. Looking like we have another powder day tomorrow. Happy travels.